Good day, everyone. This is Control IP's presentation, and yeah, I just noticed the lorem is from my put here. I'm so sorry about that. It's because of the timing and everything. I was not able to complete the project on time due to the fact that I started really late. I started on a Friday, and the deadline was on Saturday, so I did not really have much time on my hand. That's why for this project, I was only able to do the register an IP asset page because control IP is meant to help users to control their IP derivatives, claiming of their rewards, royalty, and all. A platform to help them manage, you understand, manage all their IP assets. Um, so for as I'll also be showing you the console because when they register their IP assets, a link will show here where we can use it to confirm the IP that was created. So we're going to connect our wallet. I utilize the Tomo SDK and we're going to connect our wallet. So we're going to connect our wallet. So when a user connects his wallet, you can register an IP. So you can add a name and we can call this CTRL control. Um, sorry, CTRL dot IP. And you can just say the test IP management platform, and then the name, I'll just say RGD, and then for my address, I'll copy my address, um, and I'll put it here, 100% reality. Key, you can also put in test and value, put in excellent. For the mean fee, for now we can just say one, and then revenue share 2%, and then we can upload the file. Let's use the block, this block file, and yeah. So once we click on the submit button, it will upload the file to IPFS and register an IPS access. So it has already uploaded the file to IPFS. This is the link to the IPFS, and wait for it to register an IP access. So yeah, it's a pop-up shows for us to register our IP assets and we'll pay the network fee, which is very minute, and then we'll confirm. So our IP asset has been registered successfully, and this is the link to view on the Explorer. And if I control click on it to take us to view the newly registered IP assets on the Explorer. Wait while I load also see the title is control.ip. The description is the description we put, and this is the creators and also the pure that's the license, for this particular IP. And then we have also the traits, which is the value, which we set to test and is excellent. So we'll see the image. Let's wait for the image to load up. So the image has already loaded up, and this is the block image we chose the other time. So all the so we have successfully registered an IP. So moving forward, actually because of time, I was not able to implement the other side of the application. I was intending on creating my own smart contract, and then users will be able to pin whatever IP asset they've minted, they've created or registered to our platform's contract, and then they can easily come in maybe later on in the future to manage this IP asset. They don't need to keep their asset ID somewhere else, and they can just keep it on our platform. Even if they did not register on our platform, they can always pin their what's it called, their asset ID, their IP asset ID to our platform, and then be able to manage it effectively. So that's the future. That's the plan for the future. Um, Next up is to build more on the application. You see, I already added a search page, but it's not functional right now because of time, and I was not able to implement everything. But yeah, this is the basic idea, and thank you very much.